Now, if you're struggling with your technical analysis, this video will help you to see how the markets might move this coming week, and you may get insight on how you can improve on your trading. Guys, remember, drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, and also, share this video with your friends, guys. So I don't want to waste so much time. Let's go on to the charts so that I can show you guys a breakdown on how I see the markets going for this week. Remember also to join the free Telegram channel where I share updates on the weekly signals and swing trades that we take as a team, as a group on Telegram. If you have any queries, you can also send me a WhatsApp. I have my number in the description down below, and also my email. You can shoot me an email if you have any business or anything you want to discuss. Drop me an email. So without wasting any longer, let's go on the charts and I show you guys a breakdown on this coming week's trades. Let's go right now. Yeah, guys. So right now we are on GBPUSD. So we are going to start the analysis on GBPUSD. We're going to use, I think, FXCM, so that we see the analysis for last week. We do a recap for last week's analysis. Okay, so this is where GBPUSD is, guys. Remember last week I told you that we are waiting for price to pull back up here for us to take a short trade. So this trade is still running. It's still running. This scenario didn't play out because I expected that if it breaks above and retests this level, then we can buy. But this second setup is the one which is playing out right now. So right now we are in profit for GBPUSD, but we are still holding it for the swing trade till next week, the end of this week. Yeah, we're holding this till we see if it plays out. So we'll remove this. We'll remove this one and this one because they didn't play out. So just to give you guys a very small breakdown on GBPUSD, let's see what the weekly chart is saying. Let's see what the weekly chart is saying so that we can be on the same page. Okay. So on the weekly chart, we see that there is this level here which I put for you guys. This one. This level is not yet cleared by GBPUSD. And there is a break of structure here where there is this golden level I put here. There is a break of structure here on the weekly chart. Okay, there was a break of structure here and a retest of that structure. So we expect that the market for GBPUSD will still fall to this next level here to clear this level. Then if it breaks below this level and retests it, then we can see GBPUSD falling lower to this level here. Okay, but for now we are just holding for a short-term sell to this level here. Okay, now if the market reverses and breaks above, let's come to the daily chart. Okay, if it breaks above that golden level here, if it breaks above and retests it, then we can expect to buy. Okay, we can expect that if the market goes up here and retests, then we can buy it. Okay, can buy the market from there. But for now, our bias is down. So that is it for GBPUSD. Let's look at GBPJPY and see what happened. Let's see GBPJPY. So this is GBPJPY. You can see the setups are still on. Now for GBPJPY, we had this. Let's look at the 4-hour chart to see the clearer picture. Remember, these trades, guys, are swing trades. These are swing trades. So we had looked at, let me just clear this out a bit because I added in some analysis here. Let me clear it. So I'd expected, remember the market was here last week, it was here. So I told you that we'll wait for market to pull back to this level here before we can sell from there. But also I had this scenario here. I told you if it pulls back up, you can sell. But these sells here did not happen because we didn't get any indication for a sell at that level. Yes, the market pulled up to there, but it did give us a bearish engulfing candle or a candlestick pattern that would allow us to sell from here. So the second one, this one here, is the one which gave us a good sell. So we sold the market from this level. This other scenario didn't play out because I'd expected the market to break above this level, retest it and go up here. But this scenario, didn't play out, so we'll get rid of this. Okay, so this scenario also didn't play out. We didn't get into that trade. This is the trade that we got into because market came back to this level. Guys, I want you to see how accurate these levels are. Market came back to this level. This is where we sold from, but market has been bouncing on that level. Okay, this is not the, this is where we sold from, this level here. Okay, stop loss above here. This is the area we're targeting. So right now that trade is still moving. It is still moving. Market has tested that place so far 3 times. Okay, so we expect, what we expect this coming week, we may expect that GBPJPY might continue to push a bit higher to this level here again. Now, if it comes to this level and breaks above, stops out of that trade, then we can place a buy to this next level here. Okay, but apart from this trade is still holding. We can still expect that this trade can go to this level here. So just keep holding this GBPJPY trade if you took it, and that scenario is still playing. Then keep your eyes on this level. If the market pulls back here, then you can see what to do. Either you will close out this trade and wait for the buy, or you wait for the market to stop you out, then you can get into a buy if it confirms with a bullish engulfing around this area. Okay, so that is GBPJPY. So let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. So for gold, let's use this chart. Now I was using forex.com. Internet's a bit slow. So gold also, we expected gold to pull back to this level here, give us like a bearish engulfing candlestick or a pattern that would allow us to sell, but it didn't give us. It just came to that level with the bullish candles and broke through with the bullish candle, retested as we had anticipated, then continued to buy. So this trade didn't play out. We didn't enter that trade, that sell trade on gold. This is the trade which we entered, which is still playing out. This one here. Okay. Yeah, this trade, I don't know if I can extend it here so that you see where it is. Yeah. So this is the trade we entered. As I told you that if it breaks above and retests, then you can enter, stop loss below, and then you move with it to this next level. So this trade for gold is still playing out. It is still playing out. So don't close this trade, still hold it. It may go up to that level. Okay. But if gold breaks down, if it comes back down here, okay, and breaks below this level, okay, and retests it, then you can place your sell to this level. But for now, the buy trade is holding for gold until that level. Okay, so that is the analysis for gold. Let's look at just euro dollar. Euro dollar is not giving us the signal to sell yet. They're still playing about the level, still playing above the level. So for euro dollar, I don't have anything much to add until it comes below this level here. That's when we will have something to say. Let's first remove this. So we expect euro dollar, for us to trade euro dollar, we just expect it to come below here, test, then we can sell from there lower. For now, we don't have a trade on euro dollar. Then CHFJPY. CHFJPY, we had a good trade running. Took this with the members on Telegram, sent out this signal on Telegram, and most of the members took this signal, and we've traded the stop loss to this level here. Okay, so we removed the take profit and we expect to hold this longer term. So for CHFJPY, we are still holding that trade in profit. So let's look at BTC just shortly. Let's look at BTC. Okay. Now for BTC, I told you guys that BTC would rally to 30,000. As you can see, for those of you who've been following these signals, you know that I have been accurate with pinpoint accuracy. Told you that it would rally to 30,000 and it will start consolidating around 30,000. Now the consolidation for 30,000 is starting. Okay, it's going to consolidate around 30,000. Once it breaks above this level here, it is going to quickly climb to 50K, as I've shown you in these arrows here. So that is it for Bitcoin. I hope you guys will take value from these signals and then implement your own analysis and then see if you can get good setups. So ending a video there, don't want to take too long. Till next time, guys.